Good morning, children. Yesterday we completed D bit 3 question answers. No, second lesson D bit 3 question answers completed. Today I have to write the fourth question. Okay, D bit fourth question. What is that? How do insects move? Fourth question. How do insects move? How do insects move? Okay, fourth question. How do insects move? Okay, small I. Fourth answer. Insects move with the help of their legs and wings. Insects move with the help of their legs and wings. Legs and wings. Some insects like ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. Ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. A grasshopper uses its long hind legs. A grasshopper uses its long hind legs. For hopping. Insects like butterflies have one or two pairs of wings can fly. One or two pairs of wings can fly. Okay, once listen. Insects move with the help of their legs and wings. Okay, wings have, they can move with the help of some height only they can fly, and remaining they can crawl like that. Okay. Some insects like ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. 6 legs have, no, like that only they can crawl on the floor. Okay, next. A grasshopper uses its long hind legs for hopping. Okay, next. Insects like butterflies have one or two pairs of wings, can fly. Okay, next. Fifth question. Snakes are reptiles without any legs. How do they move? They can crawl like this only, no? Scales or plates have inside their bodies. Okay, write that fifth question. You only write, I will write the answer only. Okay, snakes are reptiles without any legs. Okay, snakes move with the help of plates. Snakes move, fifth answer. with help of plates on the underside of their bodies. Plates on their underside of bodies. On the underside of their bodies, which are attached to their ribs. The plates act like that. The plates act like feet and ribs act like legs. Strong muscles and a flexible backbone also help them to move. Strong muscle and a flexible backbone. Here to continue. Flexible and a flexible backbone also help them to move. Okay, understand? Snakes move with the help of plates on the underside of their bodies, which are attached to their ribs. Okay, snake like that only have means underside of their bodies have scales or plates. Okay, and these plates act like feet, and these ribs act like feet. Okay, legs. Here the plates act like feet and ribs act like legs. Okay, that's why they can crawl. And strong muscle and a flexible backbone also help them to move. And a strong muscle and flexible backbone also help them to move. Like this only going. Next. Okay, completed 5 question answers. The before day 3 completed, today 2 completed, totally 5 question answers completed. Next think and answer. Okay, and 4 think and answers also have E-bit, first one. Why? Because you are the 5th class students, no, that's why the questions also increasing. First class level 1 only have, second class 2, third class 3, fourth 4, like that. Which of these is really a fish? Silverfish, starfish, jellyfish. Okay, write down. Next, EBIT. Okay, think and answer. And question you only write, I will write the answer only. First answer. Okay, which of these is really a fish? You have to give explanation about that silverfish, starfish, jellyfish. Okay. Silverfish are small wingless insect. Silverfish are small insect. Wingless insect. Small wingless insect. Starfish are marine animals. Starfish are marine animals. Animals which possess a wide diversity diversity of body forms and feeding methods. Jellyfish are not really fishes. Jellyfish are not really fishes. They are free swimming members. They are free swimming members of phylum Nidera. Phylum Nideria. Phylum Nideria. Okay, once listen. Silverfish are small wingless insect. Silverfish are small wingless insect. Okay. Starfish are marine animals which possess a wide diversity of body forms and feeding methods. Very different is this. Starfish are marine animals which possess a wide diversity of body forms and feeding methods. So different feeding methods have, body diversity also have. So jellyfish are not really fishes. They are free swimming members of phylum Nideria. Okay, differentiation between silverfish, starfish, jellyfish. Next. What is the second question? What is the difference between an owl and an ostrich? Owl and an ostrich. Owl, it can fly on the sky. Ostrich, a heavy body, no, it cannot fly. It is a flightless bird. So, write down. Owl have large forward facing eyes and ear holes. Owls have large forward facing eyes, large forward facing eyes and ear holes. They can rotate their head and neck. They can rotate their heads and neck. Up to 270 degrees in either direction. Their reason is exceptionally good in low light. Good in low light. They are flying birds. Here continuing. They are flying birds. Flying birds. They mainly feed on small mammals and insects. They mainly feed on small mammals. And insects. An ostrich is a large. Here next line. An ostrich is a large flightless bird. Large flightless bird. It feeds on seeds. Shrubs, fruits and flowers. Seeds, shrubs, fruits and flowers. Fruits and flowers. Okay. what is the differentiation between owl and ostrich? That is the question. So owls have large forward facing eyes and ear holes. Okay, large like this only have na owl eyes. When we are observing owl eyes like this outside only, it's looking outside, coming like that only, it's looking no large, and eyes looking very large. Okay, forward facing eyes, forward facing eyes. Okay, and next ear holes. Okay, next they can rotate their heads and neck. They can rotate their heads and neck also, like this, totally 270 degrees. So either direction, like this direction, any direction, 270 degrees, it can rotate their head and neck also. Okay, their vision is exceptionally good in low light, dark light, low light and dark also have no lighting, and low light have means only vision is exceptionally good. Okay, very clearly it will see. Next, they are flying birds. These flying birds, owls, and they mainly feed on small mammals and insects. They mainly feed small mammals and insects. They can eat. Okay. Next, an ostrich is a large flightless bird. Large flightless bird. It cannot fly. Okay. So it feeds on seeds, shrubs, fruits and flowers. It feeds seeds, shrubs, fruits and flowers. Okay. I hope you understand, children. Next. A bat and a bird can fly, yet they are different from each other. How? A bat and a bird can fly, but a bird lays eggs, but a bat gives birth to their babies. It is the differentiation. Okay. Next, third answer. A bat and a bird can fly, but both are different from each other. A bat is a mammal, it gives birth. A bat is a mammal. It gives birth to young ones. And female bats nuts. And female bats nuts, and female bats nuts their young ones, until they are nearly adult size. Until they are nearly adult size. Adult size. A bat and a bird can fly, but both are different from each other. A bat is a mammal. It gives birth to young ones, and female bats nurse their young ones until they are nearly adult size. So, but birds lays eggs. Okay, they can they hatch the birds lays eggs only. They can hatch the birds and the babies come out of from these eggs. After they can live away. The parent does not take care about their babies. But here mammals take care about their babies. Here both are different from each other. A bat is a mammal, it gives birth to young ones, and female bats nurse their young ones until they are nearly adult size, like human beings only. We are also take care about our children, no? Okay, next, fourth question. A dolphin lives in water, whereas a monkey lives on land. Yet they are similar to each other in at least one respect. What is it? What is it? Dolphin lives in water, but it is also mammal. It gives birth to their baby. Monkey also give birth to their babies. So both dolphin and monkey are mammals. Simple answer. Both dolphin and monkeys are mammals. Fourth answer. Both dolphin and monkey are mammals. Simple answer. Okay, question answers completed. Okay, understand my children? Very easy. See here, 4 question answers completed. You have to do this activity. Okay, this completing after think and answer 4 question answers. This completing after I have to do this activity. Some animals have interesting feeding habits. Complete the table on food, feeding organs and feeding habits of these animals. Animal butterfly. Which food the butterfly takes it? Food, feeding organs. What have? Next, feeding habits. In our lesson only have no, you have to do this activity. Okay, frog, food, feeding organs. Next, feeding habits. Next, rabbit, nibbing no. Next, tiger, chewing flesh, tearing flesh. Okay, you have to do this activity. Next, migration of animals. This is a project work. Divide the class into 4 teams. Team 1, find information on 2 migratory birds. Team 2, find information on 2 migratory mammals. Team 3, gather information on why animals migrate. The most popular routes they take and the instincts they follow while migrating. Okay, instincts. Team 4, find out 4 interesting facts on migration and migratory birds and animals. Now put all your information together and make a class display. In our classroom means you have to we have to divide 4 teams, but here we are listening classes no, so highly impossible. But in your home only you have to do try. Okay, you have to do the project as possible as at least 1 or 2 information you have to gather and prepare a chart. Okay. Next, fun to do. Write the correct columns, the names on the animals given in the box. These all are yours work only. Very easy, no? Okay. Lungs, gills, spiracles, body surfaces. Here camel, pigeon, monkey, crocodile, elephant, bat, grasshopper, human, tadpole, snake, whale, amoeba, prawn. These all animals have. So, which is a breathing organ? Okay, you have to find out. You have to write here. That is your work. Body surfaces. Okay, amoeba. Okay, like you have to find out what is that. Grasshopper, sparkles, fish. Okay, what is that here? Prawn have instead of fish, gills. Okay, lungs, pigeon. Like that you have to human beings. You only write that. Next, field trip. Visit a national park, a wildlife sanctuary or a bird sanctuary. In our country, there are many national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and bird sanctuaries where animals live without fear of being hunted by humans. Visit one of these. If it is near your town or city, enjoy watching animals on their natural habitats. As possible as you have to go field trip. Okay. Next, you are visiting a zoo. What would you do inside the zoo? Take your answer. Throw food to the animals. Okay. Observe the animals from a distance and notice their behavior. Shout at the animals. Second one is the correct answer. Okay. Completed lesson. Tomorrow we'll start new lesson. Better to complete this activity and this fun to do. H bit. Okay. That is the homework. F and H. F and H. Homework. Learn, complete these bits. Complete the bits of H and F. H bit, F bit, have to complete it. In the textbook only. In textbook. Only in textbook only. Okay? Oh, you have to complete these 2 bits. And you have to learn these question answers.